It is February the 8th of 2024. So, I've been getting people wanting to see this wonderful generator. So, I'll show you that once you activate this guy, which is the 3-phase or the single phase, that the power comes up on it. As you can see, it's been setting for about 2 months, almost 3. So, but here it is. Look at the oil. Still nice and clean. And then antifreeze. Well, I don't know if I can get it to see down in there, but it's had some cold days. So nothing froze or anything like that. It's like protected at 60 below. Fuel lines are on. Everything looks good. Ah, there's one of the old injectors. Yes, it does have 4 brand new injectors in it. They are EOM injectors. So, yep, comes with a Cummins engine. This is your hours. So here we go with a start. That turns on the electric fuel pump. And then test the lights. And then, just to make sure look at that, just as clean as all get out still. So no water in it. It's done pretty good to start up like that. So there's a video of it.